Right, hello everyone, this is Dakota Hollist on effective punishment. I chose scenario 2, which is your 4-year-old daughter is crying about her clothes for a preschool Valentine's party. She wants to wear her pants with hearts on them, but she also wants to wear her skirt over them. She cannot see the hearts on her pants. You tell her she can wear the skirt, she gets mad. You tell her she can wear the pants, she gets mad. She then yells at you and says, "I don't like you, nobody likes you, blah blah blah." The problem in the situation, how I responded to it was, I understand you don't want to choose between your skirt and your pants. You can't wear both. The impact. I got yelled at and I didn't need to be. Your temper is only affecting your ability to choose between the two. Discuss an alternative. You can wear one or the other. Pick the pants with the hearts or the skirt and the shirt with hearts. Punishment. Unkind words come from a dirty mouth, which means you get to clean. You are 4, so you get to clean 4 tiles. I'll explain that at the end. Future expectations. From now on, I will pick 2 outfits. You get to choose one to wear. Alright, floor tiles. I grew up in a farmhouse, which means the floor was perpetually dirty. It was laminate, which means hand cleaning all of the creases. When we got in trouble, however old you were, was how many squares you got. In her case, she's 4, so she gets 4 squares. And you get a toothbrush and a little cup of baking soda and water until you clean the square until it is mom cleaned. That is all. Thank you.